Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the primary water inlet valve in the Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new primary water inlet valve. The primary water inlet valve is located on the right side at the back of the refrigerator, just above the secondary water inlet valve. It allows water to go through the water filter before it's sent to the ice maker or to the water dispenser based on demand. If water is not getting into the ice maker and or the water dispenser, the primary water inlet valve should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove this portion of the rear access panel, just that little square on the left side. So I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. And I'm going to take out the screws. I'm going to pull out the cover. And I'm going to release these water lines from the clip. And the clip itself. To replace the primary valve, we need to take out this screw first. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. So now we're going to take these two connectors off. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. Going to pry off the connectors here. Okay, so the beige goes on to the brown, and the white and yellow goes on to this right side violet color. We're going to place the towel on the floor because we're going to have some water in that line. And we're going to unscrew this nut, turning it counterclockwise. If you have problem with doing it by hand, you can use the pliers. There's a spring inside, don't lose it. And now we can remove this valve. This is the old primary water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm gonna put the new valve into this cutout. Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. First goes that bracket, then we're gonna push it in more and turn it. All right, so now we're going to connect this water line. Place it on. Make sure it's straight up, it's not crooked. Slowly turn it, first couple of threads clockwise, and then we can tighten it. Tighten it real good, but by hand only. Don't use any pliers. Right. Now we're going to connect this couple of plugs. As remember that white and yellow goes onto this violet. And the beige and white goes on the brown. Remove the towel and turn this in. Lift it up. Place the bottom in. Make sure the line is in the cutout. Now we're gonna fix this to the panel. So we're going to place this part of the bracket into this cutout. Slide it like that. It's going to lock in at the bottom. And then we're going to install 1/4" screw on the top. So now I'm going to match the holes and secure this small panel to the cabinet. I'm using a 1/4" nut driver. Alright, now I'm going to take out this cap and we can connect it to the water line. Plug the fridge in, open the water and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.